How many of these do you guys do a day?
10.
Only 10? That'll keep you busy.
What's up by the window? Oh, for this? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You need a 3/8?
Yeah.
The electrician just left. They put on the new electric panel for me. So they ran an outlet so that I could plug in my irrigation controller and my landscape lighting. Now I don't have to run an extension cord around to the back porch, but they put this all new panel in. APS had to come and change out the meter. I have some pictures, a little bit of video of them turning the power on and off at the transformer, which is out here on the street. You can see it way out there. So I got a little some pictures of APS doing that, but good stuff.